Essential home hacks I wish I'd known sooner. Ever struggle with a stubborn jar lid, smelly sink, or tangled cords? Yeah, same. But what if I told you the solutions were already in your home? These aren't just hacks, they're sanity savers I wish I'd known years ago. Stick around, number 7 alone could save you hundreds. Welcome back to Home Repair 12-Year Home for Smarter, Simpler Living. Today I'm sharing 10 home hacks that'll make you say, wait, why didn't I know this sooner? Let's jump in. Hack 1, the rubber band jar opener. Can't open a jar? Wrap a thick rubber band around the lid for grip, twist, and boom. No more knife prying or asking for help? Hack 2, lemon plus vinegar drain fix. Sink smells like a science experiment? Pour half a cup of baking soda, then vinegar, then a few lemon slices down the drain. Fizz, foam, clean just like that. Hack 3, command hooks behind doors. Need hidden storage? Stick command hooks behind cabinet doors, hang measuring cups, pot lids, or cords. Clutter disappears. Hack 4, squeegee for pet hair. Vacuum can't get it all. Use a window squeegee on carpet or upholstery. It lifts pet hair like magic. Hack 5, aluminum foil and dryer. Out of dryer sheets? Crumple aluminum foil into a ball and toss it in. It reduces static and lasts for months. Hack 6, shower ring closet hack. Closet overflowing? Use shower curtain rings on a hanger to store hats, belts, or tank tops vertically. Hack 7, frozen sponge ice pack. Soak a sponge, seal it in a Ziploc, and freeze it. Reusable ice pack, no leaks, no mess. Hack 8, toothpaste wall filler. Tiny nail holes in white walls. Dab plain white toothpaste, smooth it out, and let it dry. Boom, landlord won't notice. Hack 9, binder clips cable organizer. Tired of cords falling behind your desk? Clip binder clips to the edge and thread cables through the metal arms. No more cable chaos. Hack 10, microwave lemon steam. Microwave smells bad? Microwave a bowl of water with lemon slices for 3 minutes. Steam lifts gunk, wipe it down with a paper towel. Done. Crazy how many of these are just sitting around your house, right? Which hack blew your mind? Comment below, I read everyone. And if you love practical DIY like this, make sure to subscribe, hit like, and share with someone who needs these in their life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, smart homes aren't expensive, they're just clever.